Personal information. My name is Jaylin Vanessa Hernandez Soto. I'm 18 years old. I am from Maicala, Guajira, and I currently live here. I live with my parents and my younger brother. I am currently studying psychology at UNAC. In my free time, I read. I listen to music. I have fun among other things. My favorite food is the pastry. My favorite program is Gravity Falls, and my favorite sport is soccer. Mm, and Describing my family. My family is made up of three people. Apart from me, this is my father. Name is Alfredo Hernandez. He is 65 years old. This is a taxi driver. He is from Santa Marta. He is tall, with green age, the contexture. On the other hand, is my mother is Yesenia Toro. She is 45 years old. She is a walking vendor. She is of Plato Magdalena. She is short with black my hair, jean contexture, black age. And finally, there is my mother, my brother. My brother is Alfredo Hernandez. He is 15 years old. He is from Maicala, Guajira. He studies. He is tall, skinny, black age, cat career.